Welcome and thank you to visiting us. Thanks to the product AGENTIL SAP monitoring, you can accelerate your efficiency. Nimsoft Monitor for SAP is a probe for the monitoring of SAP ABAP, unifi, Oracle, IBM DB2 and SAP HANA technologies. Today all companies are having almost the same SAP monitoring challenges. They need to know what they have to monitor, what is critical and what is currently covered by the monitoring in place. The painful point comes when the companies have to integrate this to a unified monitoring framework in order to reduce the number of products and front ends. How to ensure to keep low maintenance costs, scale up with the same level of quality for a linear total cost of ownership. Then, the last but not the least challenge is to start to define all the topics on the monitoring expertise and define metrics, thresholds, service levels and how we can get out from CCMS. Thanks to our large experience in SAP technology on large companies, our team of IT solutions, service management and SAP Basis, we could include a full set of performance key indicators and monitoring best practices. It makes now possible to put all your systems under watch within few minutes. The product is called SAME, and it stands for SAP Advanced Monitoring Engine. The solution was built in order to be plug and play. Only one day is needed for the setup. All monitoring libraries are with pre-configured alarms and KPIs, and it's fully integrated in Nimsoft Monitor. The result: your SAP monitoring results are increased with built-in SAP monitoring expertise and best practices. This will improve your service level by covering all basis layers and improve your failure detection capabilities. With this state-of-the-art solution, you can automatize tasks such as reports, SLA calculations, and finally your resources can focus on added values tasks for business operations. You can rely on the expertise embedded on the AGENTIL SAP monitoring solution. There is no hidden costs. We make this simple and easy to understand. One license fee, no additional costs, no additional consulting time needed. In a couple of hours you have your solution ready and your project delivered on time. SAME is fully integrated with Nimsoft Monitor from Computer Associates, and is the next generation offering solutions for monitoring the entire IT infrastructure, for physical and virtualized environments. With Nimsoft Unified Monitoring Portal, you can see into a single front end all informations that your infrastructure and SAP teams need to know, without spending time to connect to different solutions. In a single solution, you can have an overview of the layers of application, servers, storage and network in a unique tool. Customers reports high levels of satisfaction and businesses enjoy an outstanding return on investment. The SAP Basis monitoring is simplified, with this unique probe for the monitoring of SAP ABAP, unifi, including databases such as Oracle, IBM DB2 and SAP HANA technologies or MaxDB. One single probe, you don't need to have set up files, it's agentless and can be done remotely. You only need a dedicated user with predefined roles. The probe uses standard SAP-approved communication protocols such as SAP Remote Function Calls or SAP Control, The probe used these communications protocols to retrieve performance information and the flexibility of Nimsoft Monitor. The solution was built with all knowledge of experts having more than 10 years of high-end complex environments in production. All monitoring libraries are with pre-configured alarms, thresholds, metrics, reports and predefined KPIs. Even if the solution is complete, and pre-configured and out of the box, it's high customizable. You can create your own monitors templates, metrics and it's with an extendable library. If you want to improve the solution, you can request to AGENTIL to build new special features, in order to answer to your specific business needs. The real-time monitoring of the SAP monitoring probe. You can watch and supervise in ABAP instances, functions like SAP instances, ABAP short dumps, SAP jobs, system log, transports, long exclusive lock waits, RFC destinations availability, ABAP dispatcher and work processes, ABAP system performance, update requests, in queue management, SAP OS collector, SAP memory, printing, TRFC or QRFC, database, batch inputs, IDOC process chains, and SAP Connect. And for SAP Java instances, server, dispatcher, SDM status, used memory, application threads count, response times, components calls, commit duration, current HTTP or HTTPS sessions, processes availability, requests rate, unsuccessful logon rate, and custom auto discovery. In conclusion, the AGENTIL SAP Advanced Monitoring Engine can be a real added value for your business. It's fast to install with reduced deployment time, 1 day only and agentless. Flexible, fully customizable, extendable and pre-built templates. Secure, using standard SAP supported protocols, with only a specific user profile. Reliable, developed and tested in real business environments by SAP monitoring experts. The AGENTIL SAP Advanced Monitoring Engine is used to monitor more than 1,000 instances and are deployed all over the world. It's used in automotive industry, luxury goods, and manufacturing companies. Thank you very much for your attention and your time. We hope this presentation will give a good vision of what we can do for you. Do not hesitate to request a demo, by sending us an email, or by going to our website www.agentil.com.